Hi, what is the value of x given that you have x does not equal to 0? Then we have solution from here. So let's have it as 50 over 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power of x over 1. So when you cross multiply, we are going to have 50 times 1 is 50. Then here we 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x. Then from here, when you have a to the power of m times a to the power of m equals as a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of 2. So from here we have 50 equals 5 to the power of x to the power of 2. Then again, mind you, when you have a to the power of m to the power of 2 can be simplified as a to the power of 2m. So we also have this as 50 equals 5 to the power of 2x. Then when you have a to the power of 2m, you can also simplify this as a to the power of 2 in parentheses to the power of m. So we have this as 50 equals 5 to the power of 2 in parentheses to the power of x. Then 5 to the power of 2 simply means 5 times 5, which equals 25. So from here we have 50 to be equals 25 to the power of x. Then from here, let us introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we are going to have log 50 equals log 25 to the power of x. Then when you have log, what we have here is a to the power of m, you can have it as m times log a. So we have log 50 equals x times log 25. Dividing through by the coefficient of x, which is log 25 over log 25. So this, we cancel out this. So we are going to have x as log 50 over log 25. Though we can leave the answer like this, but to simplify it further, we can have 50 as 25 times 2. So from here, we are going to have x log open parenthesis 25 times 2 over log 25. So when you have log a times b equals as log a plus log b. So x will now be log 25 plus log 2 over log 25. Then when you have a parameter p plus n over n, such that P, M, N, they are all member of positive integer. We can simplify this as P over N plus M over N. So from here we have X to be log 25 over log 25 plus log 2 over log 25. So from here we have X to be, this we cancel out this, we have 1 plus log 2 over log 25. Then we can have 25 as 5 to the power of 2. So we have X 1 plus log 2 over log 5 to the power of 2. And this will be equals 1 plus log 2 over 2 times log 5. So we have X in short as 1 plus log 2 in base 25. Then to check, we have 50 over 5 to the power of X. 5 to the power of X. This equals 50 equals 25 to the power of X. Then from here, we have 50, 25 to the power of 1 plus log 2 in base 25. We have 50, 25 to the power of 1 times 25 to the power of log 2 in base 25. 50, 25. This and this are the same. This will be 2. So we have 50. Here is all equals 50. So the left hand side equals to the right hand side.